Good afternoon, everyone. This is Ryan from the National Weather Service in Norman with a severe weather update for today, Thursday, May 11th. This was recorded around noon. So, the bottom line for today, we're still expecting scattered severe thunderstorms to develop this afternoon and continue through this evening. The most likely time for severe weather, 5 to 10 p.m. And this is going to be for all hazards, including tornadoes, hail, severe damaging winds, and flooding. There's still a lot of uncertainty on where the storms are going to develop and how many storms there are going to be. But if you're in any of these shaded areas I'm about to show you, you should be prepared for any kind of severe weather. Storm chances will continue through this weekend with the risk of severe weather, mainly hail and damaging winds, but we'll also throw in that flooding as we continue to stack up the rainfall across the region. All right, so this is a radar image from earlier this morning around 10:15. You can see a complex of thunderstorms north of the Red River, and these continue to track east. And what we're looking for is this moisture to return back up towards North Texas and over the Red River later this afternoon, becoming kind of an effective warm front. And that's where we're expecting storms to develop later this afternoon, possibly. Maybe from Lawton to near Clinton, southward and into that area, and then moving east throughout the late afternoon and early evening hours. So, therefore, the threat for severe weather, the highest chances are going to be in the orange area. Um, of course, like I mentioned before, anywhere in these shaded areas, you should be prepared for severe weather. This is kind of a difficult forecast. We still have that medium tornado potential at play, especially where that boundary ends up. That being said, the yellow shaded area has the probably the largest tornado potential or the highest tornado probabilities. Um, and the timing, again, mentioned 5 to 10 p.m. in that number two lighter blue shaded area. And then as we kind of reach sunset and thereafter, the storms are going to move east. And so nightfall, the eastern half of Oklahoma will be at play. For tomorrow, severe weather risk continues. Tornadoes, not really a threat. There's still a low potential there, very low potential. But initially with the storms, could have some large hail. And then as soon as they kind of merge together through the evening and the overnight periods, it'll turn into a wind threat of 60 to 80 mile per hour winds. So anywhere from Oklahoma City southward along I-44 and I-35 corridors are going to be under the gun. The severe weather threat for Saturday decreases somewhat, but we still have a chance of large hail and damaging winds. Main threat kind of becomes flooding after that. And we do have a slight risk of at least localized flooding, mainly across the western and southwestern portions of Oklahoma and into North Texas. And that's where we're expecting the most significant rainfall amounts, anywhere from 4 to 6 inches across that area. But again, these are estimates, so it kind of depends on where storms develop today, tomorrow, and so you could see localized heavier amounts and localized lower amounts, but be prepared for some at least localized flooding. Okay, that sums it up. As always, check out our website for the latest updates at weather.gov/Norman. You can also find us on Facebook or Twitter. If you have any questions, send them our way. We'll be happy to answer as much as we can. I hope you have a great Thursday and please stay safe. Thank you.